Welcome to my drawing tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create an impressive portrait of Nezuko Kamado from Demon Slayer. We'll be using a Sharpie marker, so follow along step by step. Get ready to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of art. Remember to leave a like. Without further ado, let's get started. Thanks for your continuous support. I'm excited to show you more art in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep drawing. Artist palette writing hand. See you in the next video. Smiling face with smiling eyes, waving hand. Thank you for your ongoing support. I'm excited to share more art with you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep drawing. Artist palette writing hand. See you in the next video.